Konnichiwa! No, it's not like that. Hey everybody, this is Priest and that sounded. Can't say the word now. See, if I do that, YouTube's gonna throw my channel into black hole of death. Today I'm gonna show you, even though I already did, today we're going back. I'm gonna show you how to start up your ePSXe games with an intro / boot screen / BIOS screen. Let's get to it. Why am I making this video again? It seems there are some people, I hesitate to call them that way. Sorry, I don't mean to be douche, but it does kind of annoy me when I show you everything and still somebody tells me it's not working. So let me try to fix that. I don't want to leave anybody in the dirt, and I want to help everybody. So let's do this. Download ePSXe. The latest version at the moment of this video, which is today, is February 13, 2020. Ooh, almost Friday the 13th. Gee, we dodged it. Ooh, 2.0.5. Once you do download it, you are going to need to set it up, of course. Before you want to use the program, set it up. You will need actual BIOS files as well. The BIOS file for US system, this is the actual name, SCPH/1001. So I'm not going to tell you where to download this or where to get it, but I will tell you, do acquire it in some certain way. That's the word I use on this channel. So this is for US version and this is for PAL version. But one thing I will tell you is, don't check out my website. My website is not in the description below and you will not find these files on my website. Once you do acquire these files, you put them in a BIOS folder. Go back, find your ePSXe file, this little, see this icon? It's an icon of you can't miss it, trust me. Right click on it and create a shortcut. Now, right click on the shortcut, click properties, and under target at the end, move your typing thingy all the way to the end, press space, type in this, what is this? Is it dash? I don't know. This line thingy. Slow boot. I'm gonna leave this in the description below so you can just copy it, but make sure there is a space. See, there's a space, and then there's a line, and then slow boot. And just hit OK. What you should do, naturally common sense, run your ePSXe using the shortcut so the actual code is applied. And of course, do click on config, click on BIOS, select your BIOS, and also this needs to be disabled. Now go to config and then wizard guide and then go through the setup, set up your whole thing. So now let me just run a random ISO. I actually have over here, where are you? Crash Bandicoot, sure, why not? And then I'll run the Q file, even a bin file. Let's just run a bin, why not? And you'll notice as it runs, whoop, there we go. That's our screen. It's showing up and you'll notice that it skips to the next one. And there we go. Some people told me that BIOS, this particular black screen, cuts shorter. It's just, I don't know, it just cuts off. It doesn't play fully. The sound doesn't actually finish. It just cuts off. Here's my common sense. I don't exactly know the solution, but just common sense, try out these things. Number one, this simply could be because on the actual PlayStation 1, it takes a little bit longer for the game to load, and therefore, you know, the actual screen lasts longer. That could be one. Although I'm not going to tell you you are wrong. It's not actually shorter. You get it. Second option is make sure you set up your video plugin correctly as well as your sound plugin correctly. Try different ones. See if that changes it. And then the third one, you could try to acquire a different BIOS file. It might be that BIOS simply isn't correct. I don't know. That could be something out of that. But just try those things. Also, you could try one of these options and see if they work for you. Just simply things to do. Go through all of these, set them up properly, all of these. So video, sound, and CD-ROM. I think you should also configure that one. And you should be good to go. Now, just to prove you that this works, I'm going to actually go to properties and remove slow boot, the code. And now I'm going to run the game same way. So file, run ISO, and let's just run it the same way. And now you're going to notice, after a little bit of black screen, it's just going to show up the Sony thingy, Sony production, whatever, Europe thingy, or America, whatever. There you go. So, that's all you have to do. I hope this brings back memories. Do use this. It's a good thing. And do subscribe if you want to see more videos. I plan to release more videos as far as PlayStation related, and as well as just retro games in general related. Also, if you are interested to see a gameplay of PlayStation 1 games, do check out my other channel, Priest's Gaming Room. That's what it's called. There is a link on my channel and on the description and probably on the screen right now and everywhere. Just hit it. What are you waiting for? If you want to watch more, I don't know. I like to play Duke Nukem Time to Kill. That's one of my, man, that I have a history with that game. As well as Siphon Filter and Akui and whatever other games. I don't even know how many games I have. So do check it out and subscribe and thanks for supporting and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I act, head up, that's a fact.